Eddie Stobart is one of the most recognisable companies in Britain. Anything can go wrong.
Come on, assumption critical.
Nightmare.
For the planners back at base, it's a logistical time bomb.
You just keep that load on time, John, come on.
And for their 3,000 drivers on the front line. Out of Stobart's 3,000 trailers, 350 of them are refrigerated. They deliver over 1 million tonnes of a year. 28-year-old chilled driver Fiona Solchak is in charge of one of their 40-tonne refrigerated trucks.
There'll be a big creamy mess in the back.
Everyone's a winner. As I say, winner, winner, chicken dinner.
A little registration, all the fleet number.
Barry's even managed to rope in some of the drivers to help him on his mission.
Back road.